All right, so I'm going to prove it to you that you don't have to be on camera. You can start a simple YouTube channel and you can actually start making money online if you actually do it the right way and you stay consistent and you take action, more importantly. So what you're seeing on the screen right here, you can see my cursor right here. I'm going to actually go over here and push the refresh button just so you can see that the entire thing refreshed right here. Made $119 yesterday, $17 today so far, almost 700 in the last 7 days, and over $8,000 in the last 30 days. You can see it's very consistent. We make money on a daily basis on this account right here. I have a lot of other accounts. I sell software directly where I make tutorial videos and then I put links in my YouTube description. People click on it, they go and pay for software as well. So we have a bunch of different affiliate commissions that most of them get paid either directly into my bank account. They either get transferred to me through a platform called Wise, which is an international kind of money management and transferring system. And then most of them, probably about 70 or 80% of them, pay me directly in my PayPal account, right? I can actually come up here at any time, hover over this, go into my Warrior Plus wallet, and then push one button, and then they'll transfer within about 15 minutes. They'll transfer the funds to my PayPal account. And then there from PayPal, I just push one button and then it goes into my bank account. So that's kind of how it works financially, how you move money around and so forth and actually get it into your bank account. Right over here, $8,000. This is pretty good. This is enough to be, like if I come over here and I go into my account right over here, and then we go into account summary, and you'll be able to see that I have a 66 score on vendor. And then we come over here, there's a top 5% affiliate badge, a 75. I'm ranked number 124 in the entire world on Warrior Plus right here. And we're closing in on $100,000 in sales on this account. So the whole premise of this video is to prove to you that I can do this and that I've made this much money without even being on camera. You see me on camera on this channel, but this is the only channel that I do this on. This is my personal brand channel. I'm trying to, doing it a different way on this particular channel because I actually want to get to know my audience. I want them to get to know me a little bit more. But the whole point of this video is to prove to you that you do not have to be on camera like what I'm doing in this video. And I'm going to actually go and show you exactly how we go out there and make this kind of money right here. So $8,000 right there. And I'm going to show you a couple different YouTube channels. For one, if we come over here and we look, if you just type in Learn Wire, right, you'll see there's 20,000 subscribers. You can see all the different videos right here, but I'm going to go ahead and click on this and you'll be able to see that this is our channel right over here. Nothing special, no special channel art or logo. I created this logo in 5 minutes in Canva 5 years ago when I got started. We can go click on channel stats right here and you'll see that we barely just get 20,000 views per month. We only get about 1 to 200 subscribers per month. And then videos published, I usually try to publish at least 15 videos per month. You can see that this has really gone down this last 30 days because I've been focusing on other products. I've been different parts of my business. I've also been creating a course that I'm going to be launching for Black Friday on Learn Wire. It has to do with AI, creating AI software and so forth. So I've chosen to kind of spend my time doing other things. So I haven't been uploading as much, but still, even often, I'm still managing to put out at least 2 videos per week on this channel right here and so forth. So nothing crazy when you look at the numbers. I'm not even getting 100,000 or not even 50,000 views for that matter, right? And we're able to make a 6-figure income mostly with the power of this channel right here, Learn Wire, right? So you can see over here, just to show, we're going to go right over here. This is not from shorts. We have some shorts that we've tried before in the past, but these are from a very long time ago. I'm trying to see if I can show the last time we uploaded a short, but you can see that there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shorts, and this would have been a couple of years ago when I uploaded these. You can see that they didn't even, only one of them got 1,000 views, right? So this is not a shorts strategy. When you look at the 825 videos on my channel, pretty soon we will be crossing the 1,000 video mark on the channel. But what you will see is that these are all long form content. What's really cool about this is that this is unscripted content. Once you join a niche and start a YouTube channel on something that you are very interested in, passionate passionate about and knowledgeable about, even if you're just 10% more knowledgeable than other people, you have something to talk about in a YouTube video, right? And so once you push that record button, you can literally just record your screen and show them things, teach them things. You can have slides, you can have a little notepad, but take them through something. In my case, I do tutorials and reviews on software and AI tools and so forth. So there's an unlimited amount of content to create as well. And I can't even attempt to keep up with the, doing reviews on all the software tools that come out and so forth. But you'll see over here that I just released a video. It's got 18 views on it right now, 16 minutes ago. My latest video just released before I started recording this video. And I'm announcing to them that, hey, they can get 55% off if they use my coupon code for Koala AI. It's a AI content writer. It's my favorite. It's at the top of my tools list, and it's been there for about 3 years now. It's, in my opinion, the best AI content writer out there. And so with my coupon code and their aggressive Black Friday sale, what I like about Koala is they only do one sale per year too. They're not just going and doing sales all the time. This is the time that they probably make like 50% of their money during this next couple of weeks. This sale right here is coming out. And what's so cool is that I can put out videos like this on my channel because it makes sense that I would go and announce one of my favorite softwares that they have a Black Friday deal, because that's what my audience is into. They're into AI software. They're into, all these different softwares right here. I mean, they're into creating, ebooks. And so ebook writing software, blog writing software, things like that, right? So when we come through here and I hover over here, look, we can look at this. I can even just go, let's right click and open this up so I can just show you this video right here. And you can see, let's take a look at it for just a minute so you can see what this is like. And notice I'm not on camera at all. I'm literally just talking into a microphone, into this actual microphone you see right here, and I'm recording my screen. So take a look at what this is actually like. So you can see them just taking them through, walking them through, telling them what coupon code to look at so that they can get this information. I'm giving them, just like a news channel is doing, multiple videos or pumping out on Fox News every single day or any of these news channels. They're uploading from multiple different shows that they have. They're doing clips, they're uploading on their main channel, and they're just uploading, right? So I'm doing the same thing. I'm announcing to my audience that, hey, you can get 55% off one of my favorite softwares. Go check it out. The sale's only available for until December 3rd. And this is the time to go pick it up because they don't do any other sales, right? And it's really cool, right? And I just take them through the pricing. Then we go and I do some keyword research in front of them, and we go and actually put the software to test. We do a little demo for them and show that I have access to the software and that I'm going to use the software, and here's the result you get as well. That is the simple process of how you can actually put together really valuable videos and not even be on camera. Look, we're not on camera. We're not on camera screen right here. We've already got people commenting right over here. And this is great. I can answer these questions right over here. This is great when people are like, oh, well, how is this any different? Well, I can actually explain to them how different this is. People want updates on some of my blog tests and so forth right over here. And then I want to go and take you through another channel that I make money on. Now, let's see if I come over to this other channel, right? It's not this one. It's actually, okay, perfect. So I'm going to show you another channel that we have literally just 700 subscribers on. Now I am generally on camera right here. Like I can hover over this and you can see on this screen right there that I am kind of a lot like this style and this on this channel right over here where, I am just in the lower right-hand corner, real simple right there, nothing special. And that these videos are super easy to create. You do not have to be on camera. I'm just choosing to in this channel here, and then also the channel that I'm talking on right now, where I make most of my money. Like I said, look, I can hover over all these videos right over here. I'm not on camera. Look, we can just keep going through. Look at the screen right here. I'm not on camera right here just to prove to you that you can make a ton of money. I'm going to show you the proof of some of these videos right here, right? But we have this other channel over here that barely gets any views at all. I mean, just look at this, like 500 views. It's nothing crazy, but even just little tiny videos like this right here. Watch, I'm going to go to videos right here. And you can see that this latest one that I put out right here, AI commission blueprint. It was not what I would call a huge success. this, but I even want to show you, even when a video does not perform, I sent out one email and did one video on this product called AI Commission Blueprint. It actually didn't really do that well overall. It only made 100 or 200 sales. Usually when a product hits, it gets 500 or more sales on Warrior Plus. So this I wouldn't call necessarily even like my fault or bad marketing or anything like that. It was just that it didn't overall perform that well. But look at this AI Commission Blueprint. Look right here, we did a 24-minute video. I spent, maybe an hour and a half putting together that video, editing, uploading, all that. And then we can come over here and we can look. If we go into Warrior Plus and we go into affiliate and we go into stats, let's see, how much money we actually made. Today we made $17 on that product right there. But if I come over here and just say over the last, let's just go with this month right over here, and you'll be able to see, we'll come over here and we did cross the 100 mark. So we made $185 with AI Commission Blueprint. We made 14 sales, a 50% conversion rate, which was really, really good. We just didn't get a whole lot of hops. Look at the power of this type of YouTube channel. 160 views. That is all we did. And I sent one email out about this. And that first day, I think I made like one sale and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, this one's not going to be a good one. And I remember the feeling when I go back, sometimes this just happens where you go and you promote a product, you think it's going to be the kind of the one that hits that day, or it definitely was a great put together product, high quality product. And I'm sure the vendors are a little disappointed. They probably definitely put a lot of work into the product and they probably didn't quite get the results that they were looking for in that launch, but we still almost made $200 for our effort. And I didn't even work for more than 2 hours on the whole promotion and everything. And so let's just pretend that I spent 2 hours. I know I didn't spend more than 2 hours, but let's just say I think it was about an hour and a half with the mental capacity of thinking, brainstorming. I don't think I put together any new bonuses, nothing special, but let's just say 2 hours. So if you take this right over here and you take get a calculator out real quick, and you take 185, right? So we take 185 and we divide that by 2 hours, right? We're still making $92 per hour with the efforts that we put into this AI Commission Blueprint, right? Now, really, really cool stuff, right? And that's literally from just 100 views on our video, 164 views and one email. That's it. So that's one of the formulas that I like to do, is that this just proves to you literally don't need a lot of views at all. Most of these videos get less than 200 views right here. And some of them do really well and some don't. Like, look at this cookie dollars. Let's see how well that one did for us, right? So I'm going to go and just say, I'm just going to go year to date right here. No. And you can see right over here, $36,000 on Warrior Plus this year. But I'm going to go over here and just want to see if I can find cookie dollars right here. So you can see we made 17 sales. We had $233 from cookie dollars right over here. So it wasn't, again, not a huge launch right there, but some of these do hit, like either Channel Profit Sprint or this AI Faceless List Builder. One of those ones did well. Let's go and take a look at Channel Profit Sprint and AI Faceless List Builder. So Channel Profit Sprint made me $1,200, right? So let's go back over to that. Oh, Channel Profit Sprint with 131 views. And this just proves to you that sometimes, like this one had even less views than AI Commission Blueprint. And then, and look at it, only 131 views. And how much did we make from Channel Profit Sprint? We made 56 sales, $1,236 from, again, 1 to 2 hours of work. So that sometimes when this happens, right, you go 1236 and you divide that by 2 hours of work, you're making $618 per hour to put together that promotion right there. And then that AI Faceless List Builder, again, another $1,200 right there. The AI Faceless List Builder, we did get some good views, 300 views right there, but put things into context, guys. I mean, we're way under 1,000 views per video on this, and we're under 500 views per video. And most of these 100, barely 200 right there, 100, 197. When you look at this 225, when you actually look at these videos right here, generally speaking, you get, and these ones I would have put some ads on these, so those ones don't even count, but these are literally just getting 200 views or less. and we're making this kind of money right here. So super, super cool stuff right over here. The most impressive part is if we come over here and we take a look at, like, let's just say like Royalty Profits AI, we put out this video right here, Royalty Profits AI review, and we come up over here and we take a look, Royalty Profits AI review made $1,200 right there as well. And then we come back over here and take a look at another one, which is Ohonashi. We put only two videos out on this software called Ohonashi AI review. We come out here and you can see Ohonashi made $5,000. Then I have a really big heavy hitter, ebook writer AI, Chris Derenbergers. We made $17,000 from that tool. So can you make money with Warrior Plus and high quality products on the platform? Absolutely. Can you do it without being on camera and screen? Absolutely. You can see all these. Look at right here. Not on camera. Not on camera. $5,000 for that software. $17,000 without even being on camera. So this is, no one else is doing videos like this, willing to unpack their entire business strategies right on the public front right here on YouTube, just to give you high value. I'm going to do that right there. Now, if you want to learn more, there's a link below. You can go and check out my school community where I teach you everything that I know. I've got about 5 or 6 courses in there. We do live coaching calls, channel reviews. We do all kinds of good stuff. We share our journeys. We have people in there making $1,000 a month with this. So if you want to join a community that actually dives into this, holds each other accountable, and learn from somebody that's in the trenches doing this, and I teach you everything. If you think that this video revealed some really cool things for you, and if you think that you got value from this, you're going to get like 10 to 20 times more value in my school community. So I'd love for you to be the next member. Click that first link, go check it out. I'll see you in the next video.